Hello,
Hello, teacher.
hello, Nee. Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Very good. What is the weather today?
Weather in summer.
Yes, nice. So it is so sunny. Very good, Nee. Okay, so what did you have for dinner tonight, Nee?
Dạ,
What did
cô
you
nhớ
eat?
đây cho đến phòng đi.
What did you have for dinner?
What?
What did you eat for dinner?
À, sausage.
Wow, great. You had sausage and
Dạ, thử cái bát
rice.
đấu. Right.
Okay, great. Now, Nee, today we're going to continue learning with part 3. I want you to look, find the people, and circle the correct word. Now, this is an example. My daughter has got long hair. Now, who is her daughter? Let's find. Tang, 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 tang. This is her daughter. Okay, so she's got long hair. Now, what about number 2?
My granddaughter, my
Number 2.
parent has got a parent has got gray hair.
Nice. Okay, now where are her parents? I want you to circle the
Yeah.
parent. Where are they?
Uh, black hair.
Okay, so the parents are here. You have to circle the people and also
Gray
say the correct word ni. Okay, now what about number 3?
My uncle has got a uncle mustache.
Okay. Now where is his uncle? Can you circle the uncle? Where is his uncle? Circle him. Circle.
Uh,
All right, try again. That is his mom.
mouth. Ah, this
That is his sister. Where is his uncle?
this.
That's his dad.
My bell.
Okay, where is the uncle?
My uncle has got a bear.
Very good. So this is uncle, and he's got a beard. Okay, a mustache is right here. Mustache, beard.
Master.
Okay, great. Now, what about this one? What's number 4? My granddaughter.
My granddaughter has got curly hair.
Okay, now where is the granddaughter? Can you circle the granddaughter?
curly hair.
Yeah, where is the granddaughter? Circle the granddaughter.
This
Very good. Okay. Now, what about number 5?
my son has got short hair.
Nice. Now, where is his son? Can you circle the son?
This
Try again. That is his brother-in-law.
this
Very nice. Okay, now how about number 6? My sister.
my sister has curly hair.
Okay, now where is his sister?
My sister has got curly hair.
Okay, where is the sister? Can you circle? Where is the sister?
This
Try again. Where is the sister?
um this
Very good. This is the sister. Okay. So my sister has got
so straight hair. Straight hair.
nice. Okay, now how about number 7?
I've got balloon hair.
Yes, very good. Okay, say blonde. Blonde.
Blonde. Blonde.
Very good. So, Ni, look at this one. Listen carefully. So, we have here grandma, grandpa, they are grandparents. Now, grandparents have 2 children. Okay, we have here, that's the other the children, and this is the second child. All right. Now here,
Alright.
the daughter, okay, got married
Okay.
to this man. So they have their own children. And we have the boy and the girl. Now look, okay, this is the grandson. This is the granddaughter. This is the son. This
The
is
sun.
the son-in-law. This is the daughter, and they are the parents. Okay,
Okay.
great. Now look, who is this?
Uh brother.
Yes,
Oh.
this is the brother of this girl. Now, who is the mother of this boy? Can you circle his mother?
Mm, this
Mother, mother.
mother. Mother. Mother.
Who? Mother, mama, mother.
Mother.
Who is the
Mother.
mother? That is father.
That's
Wait a minute. This is a
this.
man and this is a man. This is mother. Okay, mother
Ah.
is a woman. Okay. So this is mother of the boy and the girl. This is their mother. Now, where is their father? Where is their father?
Mother is this.
Try again. If this is their mother, then who is the father?
Mother. Father.
All right. Look, if this is the mother, then the father is right here. Okay, this one is uncle.
Uncle.
Okay,
Ah,
brother
okay.
of their mother. Uncle is the brother of their mother. Okay,
Okay.
very good. Now, where is their grandfather? Where is grandfather?
Uh, grandfather where is where glasses. Glasses.
Very good. Now, where is grandmother?
Grandmother is where the glasses.
Nice, niece. So you have this 1 star. Very good. Okay, now Lee, look, let me see if you understand. Who is the daughter of this woman? Who is her daughter?
Uh, is
Circle.
uh this and
Very
this.
nice. Wow. Oh, just one. Daughter. This one. This is the daughter. Okay, the daughter is only one, like this. All right. Now, how about, okay, the granddaughter? Who
Bố ra
is the
xem
granddaughter?
ra đây. Ra xem có phải cậu của bạn ra đây không?
Who is the
Grand
granddaughter?
granddaughter. Hả?
Where is it?
Không. This? No, no.
Granddaughter.
This?
Very good. Okay, now look. Who is, okay, her parent? Who are her parents?
Parent. Uh, this?
Very nice. Okay, now who is, listen, who is her brother? Who is her brother?
This?
Amazing. Okay, now look, who is her sister? Who
Sister?
is his sister?
This? Cậu nhận đi
Try
lên Hà Nội.
again. That is a man. This is a man. Who is his sister?
Uh, this?
Very good. Okay, now who is, okay, his nephew? Nephew.
Okay.
Who is his nephew?
This?
Very good. Now, who is his niece? Niece.
Ah, this?
Very nice. Okay. Now, last one. Look, who are their parents? Who are their parents?
Uh, this
Okay, these are grandparents. How about
grandparent.
parent?
Okay.
Who?
This
All right. Look, these are the parents, mother and father. Okay, great job, Nee. Now, Nee, I want you to write about three people in your family and you use the box to help you. Okay, look, there is one example. My brother has got short,
short,
straight,
straight, black.
black hair. Okay, now, what else? It's your turn, Nee. Look and complete the sentence.
My un, my uncle, oh, my cousin, long, straight, brown hair,
My cousin has got
long, straight, brown.
hair. Very good. Okay, now what else?
My mother, long,
Has got
has got long, straight, straight, uh, red hair.
wow, great job, Nee. So you've got one, two, three. A perfect score of 3 out of 3 and 1 star. All right. Now this time, Nee, we're going to make a family tree. Just like this. Okay, now look. I'm going to make a family tree. Okay, now who are your grandparents? What's the name of your grandmother, Nee?
Uh, grandparent is Son and Juan.
Okay,
Son.
can you write their name? Okay, write their name inside the box. Write their name inside the box. Son and Juan. Okay, let me write it here. So who is Son? Is this grandma?
Grandpa is Juan.
Okay, so Son is grandpa. Now look, I will draw this because they have a child. Okay, how many children does your grandparents have? How many children do they have?
10 children.
10? Like this?
Yes.
Oh, that's a lot. Okay, so let's just choose your mom. Okay, who is your favorite aunt?
Four children.
What?
4 children.
4 children. Very good. So I think that's better to do. Okay, so let me do it like this because 10 is a lot. Okay, here. Let's make it like this. Oh no. So we
Hello,
have
Zio. Isaw.
this one.
Isaw.
One,
Isaw na po.
two, okay. One, two, three, and four. What's the name of the children of your grandparents?
Đầu tiên là Hương.
What's the name of your mom?
Hương.
Can
Hương
you write?
Right.
Wong Wa Hu Hong. All right. Wow. So let me write it. Okay, now what's the name of your mom? Hong, Wa, Hu, or Hong? Mommy's
À,
name. Wa. Okay,
no.
what's the name of your mommy? Wa, right?
No.
What's the name of your mommy? Wong.
Ờ, Hành.
What's the name? Okay, let me see. Han. Ah, then where is mommy here? Oh, so maybe. Okay. What's the name of your daddy? Daddy.
Ờ, Hùng.
Hong. Very good. There you go. Okay, so wait a minute. Ah, it's so hard. Let's put it. Let's put Wa here. So Wa is here. Because I'm gonna put mommy under um here. This is mommy. Okay, so your daddy is married to mommy. And this is Han. Okay, now how many children does your parents have, Ni?
Ờ,
How many children? You and Vuk, right?
Right.
So they
Two
have
children.
two
Two children.
children. Very good. Okay. So they have two children. This is Ni. Very good. And what's the name of your brother?
Vu.
Vu. Very good. Okay, do you have a cousin? Give me one name of your cousin. Oh, so that's it. We'll just leave it like this. So now look, we have San and One. All right? San is, who is San? This is your grandma, right?
No.
Who is your,
Grandpa.
ah, very good. Okay, so let me make it blue. San is your grandpa.
Grandpa.
Very good. Who is your grandma? It's One. Okay, now, who is your aunt?
Um, is, uh,
Aunt, like auntie.
Hoa. Hoa.
Wa?
Hoa.
Okay, so
Hoa.
Wa is your aunt. All right. Who is your uncle?
Huệ.
We. Very good. Who is your, oh, who is Hong? Who is Hong? Is this
Uh,
uncle or aunt?
father.
Huh? This one. Who is this?
Hung.
Yeah, who is this? Is this father?
Yes.
Then Han, I will replace it here. This is so easy. Hong. Okay, then who is the other Hong? Hoong. Okay, then who is this one?
Uh, An.
Uncle?
An.
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 Very good. Okay, now who is your mother? Han, right?
Yes.
Han. Okay, who is your father? Hong.
Hung.
Who is your brother?
Vu.
Vo. Great. And Ni is?
Mai.
Me. Very
Me.
good. Okay, now this is what we call a family tree. Now I'm gonna ask you, look at your family tree. Okay, how many children that your parents have?
Two children.
Very good. Who are those?
What?
Who are those children? We have
We have who,
who and
who and me.
great. Okay, now look.
And
How many
so the
children does
no,
your
no.
grandparents have in this picture? How many children?
Um,
Okay, we have one, two,
one, two,
three,
three, four. Four children.
nice. Okay, now who is the father of who?
Oh,
Who is the father of your uncle who?
what? I don't know.
Okay, now again, who is the father of your aunt? Wa.
No,
Okay, so grandpa is their father. Grandpa son is their father. Okay, now who is the father of your father Hong?
grandpa.
Very good. Who is the brother of your father Hong?
Uh, grandpa.
Listen. Who is the father? Ano? Who is the brother of your father Hong? Who brother?
Huê, Huê.
Very good. Okay, now who are the sisters of your father Hong?
Hoa and Hương.
Great job. Okay, so do you have any question? Question?
No, no, I
Great.
don't.
One last question. What do you call this? This is what we call a,
Uh,
okay, say family tree.
family tree.
Okay, so in Vietnamese, This is family tree. Okay, listen. Family tree.
Zappa.
That is family tree. Zappa. Okay, so do you have any question, Nee?
No, I don't.
Okay, thank you so much for joining our class. I hope you learned something about family tree. That's very important. Okay, so you have 4 stars. See you tomorrow, Nee.
Goodbye.